This is a nice and easy one. The old Tomtom. Take the rubber sucker off the back, just pull it off. Underneath there is a T6 screw to undo. Just like that. Torx number 6. Then, with an appropriate instrument, you can work your way around and pop the screen off. Just like that. Being careful then not to put too much strain on this ribbon connector. Then, most annoyingly, you find that the next 4 screws are a different type. These have cross heads. Little reed and prince head I think they are, but any little cross head screwdriver will do. You could of course undo that ribbon connector if you want to, but I like to leave well alone. So having undone the 4 screws, you find that there is a little clip and you can withdraw the PCB. Then we undo this little plug, just pull it out. I think it's to the charging circuit. Lift the PCB forwards, and at the back of it you can see the battery socket. Sometimes they have little clips on. So we've pulled the battery socket out and now we remove the battery from the case. The original batteries are stuck down with a little bit of double-sided stuff, but it's not very strong. Pop the new battery in the back of the thing, and then it's a simple reversal, making sure that you get the plug the right way round. And there we are. Assembly is just a reversal of the procedure, and we're back in business. Excellent.